What the fuck is up, everybody? I'm back at it. We're gonna fuck around with Rustina. Today we're gonna dig off with the exhaust. And get rid of this stupid side pipe. We're gonna do something new with it. Today is fucking Tuesday. We got a car show on Sunday, so I'm gonna start working on this exhaust. We'll see what I can come up with. This here was the section of my fucking muffler, or section of my exhaust that I fucking cut off when I did my side pipe. If you're not familiar with that, you go watch the side pipe Rustina video. You'll see that it usually runs underneath the car here, and this bend goes up and over the lateral arms, and this shoots out the back. If I drill a hole in the body there, this exhaust fucking follows the line of the car pretty well. We're gonna use this. Alright, let the welding begin. Dookie ass fucking welds, but whatever. Alright, well, there's one piece done. I'm gonna hook that up to this muffler. But first I gotta mount this, figure out where the fuck this is gonna go. Weld this side, or I don't know. Let's fucking take this over to the car and figure out this out. Well, that not gonna work. It's oval and that's round. Alright, that adapter will work on here. Haha, ha, fuck yeah! Alright, so that's kind of the idea. I want to be able to still open this door though, so what I'm going to do next is cut a piece of this door off so it'll clear it, and then I'm going to end up notching it right here so it'll clear that. Haha, fucking tight. Let's fucking do it. Fuck yeah! Oh, that's fucking sick. I just got a notch right here. Fucking straight hacked that door. Oh shit. That's fucking sick. I just gotta hammer this on here. Weld this. Fuck tight. Fucking jammed it right in there. That shit fucking test fitted. Now I'm just gonna weld this shit on here so I know for sure it ain't gonna fucking go anywhere. This shit's a fucking pain in my ass. Trying to get this mounted before it gets dark. I'm gonna fucking jack it up from right here. Try to bend it. This is a fucking bitch. Alright, it's almost getting dark. Got this thing fucking mocked up. I'm just gonna put a couple tacks down there. Get a metal bar. I'm gonna weld this bitch in here so it don't go anywhere. Alright. Let's do it. What's up, guys? Back at it, day 2. Car meets tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna get this exhaust finished or not, but I'm definitely gonna try. This is what I got. It got dark the other day, so I couldn't finish filming. But I got it tacked and welded down there. Welded up here. It ain't going anywhere. So, next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this as a sleeve. Jam it in there. Fucking that in there. Fucking, I'll use some of this metal and make a strap to weld it to the car. And then this will go on top of that. Like so. Let's fucking finish this exhaust. That sleeve's gonna work out just nice. Perfect. The right angle's fucking welded. Let me open my trunk and see what kind of clearance I have for this fucking muffler. Fucking toy. I gotta cut this fucking hanger off. Oh wow. Looks like it's gonna work fucking perfect. That'll be fucking perfect. Fucking perfect. Let me just cut this bitch off. Talk about fucking fitment. Barely cleared it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fucking A. Well, fucking there you have it, guys. Fucking Rustina's crazy rad exhaust. I'm gonna weld up some fucking support brackets and shit. I'm not gonna record it because that's fucking boring. But fuck yeah, thanks for joining me. Stay tuned for the next one.